Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and today I'll show you how you can enable the power saving mode. So to get started, simply pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the power saving mode, which for me is right over here. So once you find it, simply tap on it. There we go. As you could see, the brightness does change a little bit, not by much. And additionally, there's a couple things happening in the background, like mobile data, if you have that capability, and Wi-Fi will be disconnected once the device is in sleep mode, and that is considered sleep mode. There we go, got my pen back. So considering this is a sleep mode, device does disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data, so it can preserve a little bit more battery, and that will cause you to not receive any kind of updates from applications that will require internet connection. So applications like Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, and so on will just not give you any kind of messages as long as you don't wake up the device again, which at that point it will reconnect automatically and sync up everything that was missing. And anyway, that is basically the default power saving mode. There's a couple things you can do yourself additionally on top of that to preserve your battery a little bit further, like as an example, dropping the max brightness further. The brightness, like how much you drop the brightness will vary how much battery you will gain. So as an example, from something like a max brightness to half, you will get probably about 3 to 4 hours of additional battery life just for that. So if you want, you can drop it even further. Additionally, you have toggles like the location, which if you disable will grant you a little bit of battery life on top of that. And if you have NFC, although I don't think this has NFC, and any kind of other toggle that doesn't need to be enabled, you can just turn it off. And yeah, that's basically how you can preserve your battery. Now once you're done with it, you can toggle it off by tapping on it, and whatever you have changed manually, like the location services, you can tap on them again to turn them on. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.